and gentlemen, I've asked you, have you got your earplugs? You're going to need them. I'm the only person up here that doesn't have them. You guys behind are going to need your earplugs, I'm pretty sure. Cal Crutchlow on the Tech Trois M1 Yamaha, the 800. He would have bought the 1000, but it's busy being prepared for his next test. Never before has that happened in a motorcycle show. Motorcycle Live 2011. Brilliant, absolutely superb. Health and safety, there was no fuel in it at all. That has run it out completely, that's why it stopped. Cal, you are about to open Motorcycle Live 2011. On the screen in a minute, we're going to have a red light. Do not jump the red light, it has happened this year. But the point it goes to green. I would like you to open Motorcycle Live. So we've got a red coming up on the screen in a minute. It's been a great year for a great end to the year. You must be looking forward to the 1000. But here we go, ladies and gentlemen. The red is coming up. When we get a green, don't jump it.
Ladies and gentlemen, Motorcycle Live is now officially open.
Brilliant, thank you very much indeed. You are now able to have a look around the show, but first